Another frequent question I get is, now that I've started on the Budwig program, should I continue taking my medication, the allopathic medicine? Well, the answer is that you shouldn't stop taking it right away. In fact, you should check with your local doctor and let them know that you're on the Budwig program and the different things you're taking, and mention to them that, and then they will probably monitor you and see if they can at least reduce it and follow that through. But be very, very careful. It would not be wise to instantly stop your allopathic medicine. And sometimes for pain and so on, you have no choice but to use these at least for a period of time because the body's going through that healing process. So work with your local doctor on this regard.